Our Flip crew designs a dog-safe backyard for our animal-loving homeowners.
I can't wait to introduce our dogs to the backyard.
We showcase ways to reduce stormwater runoff.
We wanted to beautify it a little bit, but also create some functionality down there, hopefully maintaining some of that water in a better fashion.
Then we switch into DIY mode for a fun project for attracting wildlife.
This is a really simple way to attract wildlife to your yard. And tree frogs love to hide out in here.
I love frogs.
We show you ways to take your rain barrel game up a notch.
Once this rain barrel gets full, it's going to come down this tube here, and Carrie and I have it kind of woven throughout the bed here.
Our experts share important landscaping tips.
How important is that when you're laying these plants out for a landscape?
Well, it is. It's very important.
And not even a rainstorm can stop this flip.
Oh, rain!
All this and more on Flip My Florida Yard.